Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Saturday the 23rd of June 2018 and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 22nd of June. Gold fell $10 last week from $1,279 to $1,269, having hit a high of $1,284 and a low of $1,262. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £956. That's down £7. And in euros, it closed at €1,088. That's down €14 on the week. Silver fell 8 cents from $16.56 to $16.48, having hit a high of $16.63 and a low of $16.20. In sterling terms, it closed at £12.42. That's down 5 pence. And in euros, it closed at 14.13 euros. That's down 0.13 euros. The gold to silver ratio fell slightly from 77.23 to 1 to 77 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 24,580, up 119 points on the day and down 510 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 7,692, down 20 points on the day and down 54 points on the week. Brent crude rose $2.11 from $73.44 to $75.55. And US light crude rose $3.52 from $65.06 to $68.58. The dollar index stands at 94.52. That's down 0.26 on the week. Gold prices continue to drift lower during the week, reaching down towards the 1260 level, before bouncing back a little on Wednesday and maintaining that level until the markets closed on Friday. Analysts are predicting that prices could touch $1,250 or may even rise to $1,300. Our listeners will not be surprised to hear us believe that $1,250 is the more likely, something we predicted a month ago when everyone was looking towards $1,400 as the next move forward. Trade sanction reprisals, a difficult time for President Trump over border issues with Mexico, all added to political woes. And frankly, we should have seen gold prices move upwards, especially as equity markets fell, and they did not. Professional precious metal investors are currently fatigued with their investments and are currently looking elsewhere, thus the reduction in prices. Of course, we believe this will correct itself in time, but with further interest rate rises still looming, we are still more bearish short-term than bullish. Silver fell 20 to 25 cents midweek, but rallied again on Friday, standing just 8 cents lower at the end of the week compared to the start. As mentioned previously, we believe that silver is in a consolidation phase, and we may very well see prices move between $16 to $17.50. Now, to all extent and purposes, recent price activity suggests that silver has a very strong floor at the $16 level, and most analysts believe that it only has to hit that $17 level again and prices will jump quite quickly towards the $18 mark. From a fundamental view, this makes sense in that although the strengthening dollar has a negative impact on silver, a growing robust economy has a positive influence, and so whichever is stronger dictates the price direction. We still believe that silver will dip below the $16 level, but will represent good value when it does. Our predictions and analysis can see it touching $15.50, but we would not place any heavy bets on this, as there is too much going on in the political field to keep silver prices moderately propped up, so to speak. and it has been almost 12 months since silver prices fell below the 1550 level, and has tended to oscillate more or less between that level and 1750 since, though it did peak briefly to 1821 last September. This coming week, the Consumer Confidence Index for June will be reported on Tuesday. Durable goods orders for May will be published on Wednesday. GDP revision for Q1 will be published on Thursday, and core inflation and consumer spending in May will be published on Friday. None of the above are expected to particularly affect market movements. However, we are expecting some further moves and commentary by way of trade tariffs, especially in relation to China and possibly Canada and the EU too, which may have a slight effect. Politically, a federal judge said on Friday he could rule as soon as the middle of next week on a request to order the US government to reunite thousands of immigrant children who were separated from their parents after illegally crossing the Mexico-US border. And this will no doubt attract headlines. We are also receiving some info that the Mueller investigation is about to indict another well-known political figure either this week or next. Our money is on Roger Stone, whom we thought was going to be indicted last week. And we must not forget Donald Trump Jr. either, who has, according to witnesses, been at the heart of Russian meetings on more than one occasion. In any case, Mueller knows that the minute he picks on one of the Trump family, regardless of advice, the president will immediately dismiss him. Which is why Mueller is moving slowly closer, but not finally pouncing until all of his evidence is unequivocal and totally provable. A fascinating time to be a political observer, no doubt. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated regularly, can be found at facebook.com/IlluminatiSilver. Disclaimer: Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.